This is easily the best mashed sweet potatoes. Super creamy, super delicious, and it was so easy to make. This sweet potato mash did other vibes, guys. Now let's just jump right in. Choosing the right sweet potatoes is the key to achieving creamy and flavorful mash. When you're choosing your sweet potatoes, look for potatoes that are firm with a smooth skin and a vibrant orange flesh. These will ensure a naturally sweet taste and smooth texture. Start by washing and peeling the sweet potato. Then you're just going to cut them into chunks of similar sizes. This ensures an even cooking. Boiling is the most common method for cooking sweet potatoes for mashing. But if you're looking for a sweeter sweet potato mash, definitely pop them in the oven, get that roasting, and then the more it roasts, the more it will get sweeter. But for this recipe, we didn't want it too sweet, so we definitely just chopped it up and boiled it for this one. So after you've chopped up and washed off everything, you're definitely going to put the potatoes in a large pot of boiling water. Then let it simmer until they're fork tender. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to add a little oil in the pot just for a little nice smooth texture. I don't know why I added to the pot, but I just know that it enhances the creaminess of the potatoes. Once the sweet potatoes are cooked and drained, return it back to the pot, add in your desired flavor to enhance this sweet potato's natural sweetness. Using a potato masher or a fork, start to mash your sweet potatoes until you have your desired consistency. Add in your mixed veg. I use corn and peas, and we added some mayonnaise to that, mixed it well with some complete seasoning, some black pepper, and it was very delicious. Quick note for a smooth and velvety texture, continue to mash until the lumps are completely removed. But if you prefer a chunkier mash, leave some small pieces intact, and remember, the longer you mash, the creamier your potatoes will be. We definitely went for a nice and creamy potato. Transfer your mashed sweet potatoes to a serving dish. You can drizzle with some melted butter, a sprinkle of paprika, and definitely garnish it on top with some spring onion or chives. Sweet potato mash pairs well with a variety of main dishes. We definitely paired this up with our air fryer jerk turkey wings. We will leave that in the cards. We just posted that recipe. If you haven't checked it out, check it out now. We hope you enjoyed this delicious, creamy sweet potato mash. It's also super perfect for your holiday meals or a cozy weeknight dinner. We hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.